The girl is looking bougie. She is looking bougie. And how gorgeous is this hair? Just feel this hair from Julia hair. If it's your first time here, my name is Chelsea. Gorgeous, you're welcome. Please, if you like it here before you go, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let's head to this video. For today's tutorial, I will be working with this hair from Julian hair.
I'll be yours if you let me.
They added a makeup bag as a gift, a hairband, and a wig cap. That is the hair is 3 bundles and 1 closure. The length of the wig is 24 inches. The 3 each one is 24. You can see how full the hair is. You can see the weaves so tight. And that's the closure. The closure is 20 inches. It's pre-plucked. And the closure is 4x4, 4x4 lace closure. The hair type is Julian hair, 100% Brazilian. And the hair quality is high quality, 100% human hair. The hair can be dyed or bleached. You can bleach this hair, you can dye this hair. So today's tutorial, I want to share with you guys how you can install your weave on very fast, your hair very fast without sewing. So today I'm using hair glue. This doesn't take time for you to make your hair. It's very easy. I thought of using glue to glue the hair. In case if you don't know how to sew hair, you can do this and it's very fast. You can see what I am doing. I just added the glue to it. Then after gluing it, I just use a hand dryer to dry it so that it can stick to my wig cap. If I tell you this system, your hair will never pull out. It will not pull out. Once it is stick to the hair, the cap, it is stick to it. It stick to it for how long you want. For months, for years, it will be the same thing. So I find this pattern so helpful and so fast. And that is the hair. The hair is so soft. You can see that's the 20 inches. I'm trying to remove the rubber band that was on it. See the way I'm combing it. The hair has no smell, no shedding, although I did not see any shedding from it. And the color is natural black. So I just added that, started from the bottom. After adding the front, the closure in the front, then I cut my weave into pieces. I measure. Once I measure, I will cut where I want to place it. I will measure, I will cut, I will apply the glue to the edges and just gum it to my cap wig. Then you just have to dry it with your hand dryer. I did that process all around my wig cap. If you guys want a detail of how to install hair with a glue, let me know, because this video I just did it. I skipped some parts so that it will not be too long. After adding the glue, you just glue it to your wig cap. One thing I want to tell you about this hair, I find that this hair is to be very easy to take care of. You just have to shampoo it, condition it, and leave it to dry, and that is it. You don't need much to take care of this hair. It's very easy to take care of. Anytime you wash it, make sure you add your conditioner to make it more softer. And there's no risk when you wash this hair. And that is the end of the the sewing. After that, I use my hand dryer, just try to heat everything to make sure it stick very well to my wig cap. I added mousse to it to flatten the front. You see, as I'm combing it, it's not shedding, and comb very easily, does not tangle. You see the way I'm combing it easily. So I decided to go for center part. You can do this side part, though it's 4x4, but you can do it a little side, or if you want to do a kind of a C part, you can do it as well, but I did a middle part.
'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing.
So after sharing my parting, I just twist it a little. I add more mousse to the hair just to flatten the hair around it, and I twist. You can see I didn't twist a lot, just little. If you don't know how to do this, you can skip that. So I just did little. You take your time, just twist little by little until you're satisfied.
I just want my worst enemy, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire.
You guys can see what I'm doing, adding more mousse to the hair. Then I use my hot comb just to comb through it.
Every month, spending every last dime, feeling like I'm just stuck in rewind.
You see, and you see my mannequin head falling off. I need to buy a tripod. I need a tripod. My mannequin head is asking me to buy a tripod. And that is the hair is done.
I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire.
You can see it. See how the hair is shining. This hair is so beautiful, very soft, very soft. So that is it. I want to install it, and the installation is very easy as well. Did not take me time. So I added powder, my fixed powder to it, and the color of my skin tone, and I got to be spray, just spray it so that it can hold my powder. And after that, I use my hot comb it through again, because I really want the front of the hair very flat.
What I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, oh, oh. A brighter day, a brighter day. Oh, a brighter day. Time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves?
I clip my hair to give way, then clean my foundation from my forehead before applying the spray.
And I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my.
After that, I just laid it down, then I tied it. Then I waited for some time for it to get tacky.
Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh.
So I removed it, then I cut the excess lace from it. You can do this when the wig is not glued to your head. You can remove the lace. If you don't know how to cut it when it's glued to your head, you can cut it as well before gluing it to your head. I saw some little lace flying, so I just had to glue them down.
Holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me.
And I tied it again, waited for it to dry, get tacky for some time. Then I loosed it, styled my hair. You can coil this hair, but in my own case, I never want to coil the hair. I just added some hair cream, then recomb again with my hot comb. I wanted this straight, sleek style, so I did not coil the hair, but you can coil this hair. If you want to coil it, you can coil it. But I wanted it straight, so I went for this straight hair style. I brought out some baby hairs, little baby hairs, just little. And that is all I did. You see, it is very easy. This pattern is very easy. If you want to make a wig, it's very easy when you use glue. Very easy, does not take time like when you're sewing it. So I prefer this pattern, it's very fast for me. So I slayed my baby hair, I slayed the baby hairs, I brought some out, slayed them, and that was all. I'm going to leave all the information about the hair, Julian hair, how you can lay your hands on it, their website, and if there's any discount code, I'm going to leave it on the description box, so you check that out. Like I said, the hair is 100% human hair, 100% human hair. You can coil it, you can dye it, you can wash it, you can change the color of the hair to whatever color you want. Thank you, Julian Hair, for sponsoring this video. I appreciate. I will see you guys in my next one. Like I said, I will leave all details about the hair on the description box. If you're interested, check that out. I hope you find this video helpful. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. I love you guys as always. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by hitting on that like button? And I will see you guys. Love you guys as always. Bye. Stay gorgeous. Bye.